Welcome to the GRE English Vocabulary series by CSPs. This series will help you in your preparation for the CSS, PMS and other competitive examination. Let's begin. English GRE Vocabulary Exercise number 1. Synonyms. Question number 1. Abase. A. Incur. B. Tax. C. Estimate. D. Humiliate. D. Humiliate is the correct answer. Question number 2. Aberration. A. Deviation. B. Abhorrence. C. Dislike. D. Absence. A. Deviation is the correct answer. Number 3. Abet. A. Conceive. B. Wager. C. Encourage. D. Evade. C. Encourage is the correct answer. Number 4. Abeyance. A. Obedience. D. Discussion. C. Suspended action. D. Excitement. C. Suspended action is the correct answer. Number 5. Abjure. A. Discuss. B. Renounce. C. Run off secretly. D. Project. B. Renounce is the correct answer. Number 6. Ablution. A. Censure. B. Forgiveness. C. Survival. D. Washing. D. Washing is the correct answer. Number 7. Abnegation. A. Blackness. B. Self-denial. C. Selfishness. D. Cause. B. Self-denial is the correct answer. 8. Aborigine. A. First design. B. Absolution. C. Finale. D. Primitive inhabitant. D. Primitive inhabitant is the correct answer. 9. Abortive. A. Consuming. B. Unsuccessful. C. Familiar. D. Financing. B. Unsuccessful is the correct answer. 10. Abstinence. A. Vulgar display. B. Restrained eating or drinking. C. Deportment. D. Reluctance. B. Restrained eating or drinking is the correct answer. 11. Abstruse. A. Profound. B. Irrespective. C. Suspended. D. Protesting. A. Profound is the correct answer. Number 12. Abut. A. Stimulate. B. Grasp. C. Oppose. D. Adjoin. D. Adjoin is the correct answer. 13. Abysmal. A. Bottomless. B. Eternal. C. Diabolic. D. Internal. A. Bottomless is the correct answer. Number 14. Accede. A. Fail. B. Consent. C. Compromise. D. Correct. B. Consent is the correct answer. Number 15. Acclivity. A. Index. B. Upslope of a hill. C. Character. D. Report. B. Upslope of a hill is the correct answer. This concludes exercise number 1 of the English GRE vocabulary. We will be uploading exercise number 2 soon.